Hi, my name is Pablo Llanas. I'm with the Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use Poll Everywhere to survey students in your course with one of the templates that we've set up in this website. So let's get started. Okay, to get started with using Poll Everywhere to survey your students, regardless of whether you're using the daily survey, the weekly, or the midterm, the process will be the same. You're going to click on Login at Poll Everywhere. If you've been doing this for a while using Poll Everywhere, this is the same as you've always used. So you're going to click on Login. You're going to use your William and Mary ID. You're going to click Next. And if you're logged into the system already, when you click on this button, you'll be in Poll Everywhere. So we're going to just leave that tab open for right now, and we're going to return to the Course Surveys website. Regardless of which of the templates you're going to use, daily, weekly, or midterm, you're going to go to that page and you're going to click on the button right below my video here, and you're going to click Get Poll Everywhere Daily Student Reflection in this case. I'm going to click on that, and that's immediately going to take you to Poll Everywhere again, asking you to confirm whether you want to copy this into your account. When you click on Copy Survey into this account, you will immediately go to the actual survey activity in Poll Everywhere. Now, I selected the daily reflection one because it's a little bit unique out of the three that you have, because question number one has some text in curly brackets that you need to personalize with information for your own course. So what was the main point of today's lesson? The other ones can be deployed as is, but this one you'll want to make sure that you modify question one. From here, you can also add, remove, or edit any of the questions. Now, if you're familiar with Poll Everywhere, you know that you can click on activities up here and you can see where this activity has ended up. For me, because I created this one that you're copying over, it's ended up in my Fall 20 student surveys. If you're brand new to Poll Everywhere, all you'll have is this default area, and this poll will be in that area. The next thing that you want to do is, for any of the polls that you deploy, whether it's daily, weekly, or mid-semester, is you want to go into it and you want to give that survey some sort of name that actually will be easy to track. So to do that, all you do is you click on Edit, you go to the survey title, and you maybe type in something like the name of the course and the date. So in this case, we'll call it Geology 101, October 18 Daily Reflection. And what that will do is that'll make it much easier for you to keep track of where this poll is. If you're new to Poll Everywhere, one of the great things about Poll Everywhere is that you can actually deploy these surveys either synchronously or asynchronously, so your students can have access to it at any point. If you are giving this survey asynchronously, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on this blue link here that says Copy Response Link. You click on that, and then you will actually, in your clipboard, you will have the URL to share with your students so they can take the survey. Easiest way to deploy those are typically using email in Blackboard to all of the students in your course. You can also deploy the survey synchronously as an in-class or over Zoom activity by clicking on Activate. When you click on the Activate button, if you're familiar with Poll Everywhere, this poll is now active. If I were to go into another browser and go to pollev.com, your students will know how to do this if you are using that in the class. You're going to click on the Start the Survey, and then you can answer all of the survey questions. In this case, we're going to rank a couple of things and then give some text responses and submit the survey. In the meantime, while you're doing this, your students' responses are going to start to populate immediately within Poll Everywhere. So you'll very quickly be able to get an idea of what's going on, what issues people might be having, depending on which survey you've deployed. So I hope that's been helpful, and as I said, you can get going with this very quickly. Thank you.